it's Wednesday, April 15th, and here I am in Aldi's to check out the Aldi Finds aisle and see what they have in there for us today. So as I come into the store, I'm seeing a garden care set, and you have your choice. It shows you on the box here. You can get either a weed puller, a lawn edger, or a garden claw. And they are $14.99 each. And right next door are power blasters. It says multi-use for power washing and watering needs. Rotate to different angles to suit your cleaning needs. And they are, I'll get in a little closer so you can see, $12.99 each. Well, Aldi's is celebrating their 50th birthday. So they're actually selling their 50th birthday little stores. And they are $16.99 each. So they have the little house I showed you, and here they have birthday banners, and you get 8 plates, 8 paper cups, 16 napkins, and I think it's 8 treat bags. And you can get the little box for $7.99. Up here they have the Aldi Gear keychains and quarter holders. That's what it says, keychain and quarter holder. They're $1.49, and you have your choice of these different ones. I guess they have them near the tote bags, so you can put one on there if you choose. Down here you have your choice of ladies, either jackets or pants. And here is a close-up of the jacket. It has that nylon feel to it. And the pants are next door here. Let me see if I can show you what it says, or the picture on the box. Hold on. Very hard on the bottom. There you go. So that basically shows you what they look like. They come in black, green, brown, tan, several different colors, and their size is small through extra large, and they are $14.99 each. Here are hoodies or crew neck pullovers, and they are $12.99 each. And it looks like they come in a blue, a cream color. It's all I can see from here. I think they're supposed to be 3 colors, and their size is small through extra, extra large, and they're $12.99 each. Here are more 3-wick candles from Kirkton House, and they have cute sayings on them. Well, look at this one. It has money all over it, and it says, "Burning cash. Smells like shopping for groceries anywhere but Aldi's." And the scent is volcano mist. And then they have one that's linen and amber. Down there is vanilla drift. So they are your choice of $4.99 each. Here are ladies' crew spa socks, and you get 2 in the package for $4.99. And on the box they have the different combinations that are in the boxes, and I can see like a mint green, a black, a gray. I think they have polka dot. So there you go. Here are your choice of genuine leather ladies sandals, and they are $12.99. This one is like in a rose gold color. You can see on the box that's a little bit of a different style. And on the box it shows you the different styles. It's hard to see, but I'm doing the best I can. They're sizes 7 through 10. Here are Aldi gear, men's or ladies gear sneakers. And I'll give it a close-up here. I just took this one out of the box. It's pink with a green trim. And let me tell you, they're heavy. I couldn't walk in them. But anyway, they have white ones down there, and I see pink. Yeah, I'm not sure if there's any other colors, but they're $14.99 each. Look at this. This is a Lego tulip bouquet for 18 plus, it says, years. It's part of their botanical line. That's very nice. That is $54.99. Here we have toddlers. Lily and Dan, lightweight closed-toe sandals, and their sizes 5'6" to 11'12", and I see pink, I see like a denim blue, I see tan, and it looks like a cream color back there. And those are $4.99 each. And here, to go with your candle for the teacher or the nurse or someone special, are what they're calling appreciation cards. And they're 99 cents each. And here's one you can see for the nurse, most valuable player, the best teacher, great teacher. That's a cup of coffee up there. It says appreciate you. Up here are Sarah's fashion earrings. I guess they're for the little ones or the big ones, because I see some on the bottom here that are martini glass, a cowboy boot. Can't get them out of here, but you have your choice here on their $4.99 for either the studs, which I think you get 3 on there, or the regular size earring, you get 1. Here's your choice of 3 wick candles for Mother's Day, and they're $4.99 each. They have similar sayings as the others. This says, in my mom era, the best mom era. This one, it says dog mom, and there is a couple of others. So they're $4.99 each. Here's your choice of men's or ladies' sunglasses. They're polarized sunglasses. They are $4.99 each. And I'm gonna go up here, and I see more up top here. I gotta tell you, I got here early today, and I can see a lot of this stuff has been picked through, so I'm doing the best I can taking the photos. Up here, I can't get them out of the box, but they're on clearance. They're $7.99, and they're Mama and Me mug sets. Here's one out of the box here for a boy. You get the big mug, it says Boy Mama, and then the smaller mug says Mama's Boy. And I see they have ones on top that says Mini Bee, and I can't see what the other one says. Probably says Queen Bee, and I think there's a couple of others in there. So those are $7.99 each. Here's girls' flutter sleeve short sets. This is the blue one with daisies, and under there, this one is like a peach color. It has little, looks like strawberries on it. And let me see, oh, this is another one. This is cute. Oh, this is for a little boy with dinosaurs on it. And they are, let me see, the price is covered, $8.99 each. Up here are water bottle crossbodies. And there's a picture of them. They come in 3 different colors. They are $9.99 each, and here's one out of the box, this black one. Looks cool. So you have your choice, and I'm looking in the back, and it looks like in the box I can see a the beige one has like fur on top. Can you see it in the picture? And the others are just the leather. I'm trying to get a clear picture for you. Here are ladies' 3-pack of what they are calling fancy socks. And some of them are solids. Some of them I can see back there have a little like rickrack on the top. And some of them are a print. And you do get 3 in there. Let's see what it says here. Yes, fancy socks. And they fit ladies sizes 4 through 10. So for your 3-pack, it is $4.99. Here you have a choice of Kirkton House faux floral bouquets. And you have different ones, as you can see, to choose from. They're very colorful. And they are $9.99 for the bunch. Here are Sarah 2-piece ladies soft pajamas. I can't take them all out. They have them packed in there quite tightly. They're in sizes small through extra large, and it shows you your choices on the box. 2 of them come with shorts, and 1 of them comes with long pants, and you have your choice of the 2-piece for $12.99. Here are Mother's Day t-shirts, graphic tees by Sarah. They're $6.99 each. They have 3 different colors with 3 different sayings. One is tan and an animal print, Mama, is on the front. Here are ladies' rompers. It says elastic tape inside the waistband, padded bra inside with removable cups, and it has a 30-inch inseam. And this one is black with flowers, and they have solid black. Shows you the 2 choices on the box. And they're by Sarah, and they're $14.99 each. Down here is your choice of 3 different Pembroke paint your own stepping stones. And I see a butterfly, I see a flower over there. It's like a little medallion, and those are $4.99 each. Here are boxes of premium puzzles, and this one says Riviera Radiance on the top, one says Tuscan Terrace, and one says Sunlit Santorini, and they are, let me see, $6.99 each. Down here are craft kits by Hinkler. They're $7.99 each, and I see they have a cross-stitch one, bath bombs, handmade soap. So you have your choice for $7.99. Well, I have to say they're on the ball. They have a lot of gifts for teachers. These are glass cups with lids by Crofton. And you can see this one has teacher on it. This one has coffee on it. There's a nurse one. And they're $3.99 each. And on the box here, it shows you the choices you have. There's 4 different ones. Up here are more Garden Line garden spray 8 pattern hose nozzle. And they are $4.99 each. And right next door are 6-piece or 4-piece. You have your choice of quick connect sets, and they are $9.99 each. Here are galvanized garden beds. It says on here, grow your own vegetables, herbs, and plants, and it has a rubber rim included to cover the top edge. And here's a picture on the box where they're showing you how they are planting the different vegetables and herbs, and the size is on there. and they are $19.99 each. These are Balabi 2-packs of solar garden bed lights, and they are $9.99 each. And as you can see on the box, looks like they have them attached to the garden beds right next door. And here we have, and there's plenty of them, I guess they just got them in and I am here early, the Garden Line Drop Over Greenhouse. And here on the box is the size, and it shows you here a picture. It says protects your garden from pets and weather, and it's easy to assemble for temporary propagation of herbs, plants, and vegetables, and those are $14.99 each. It looks like they just got in some new garden gloves by Garden Line, and they are a 3-pack of the nitrile or a 5-pack of the latex coated gloves, and you have your choice there for $4.99. They still have some children's umbrellas left by Lily and Dan, and they are $4.99 each. And on the box they have the different designs. Some have cherries and unicorns and rainbows and whatnot. They have a few things left from last Wednesday. These are the Farmhouse 2-pack of the mini casserole dishes. And I see strawberries, and I see like a muted, maybe blue here. And they are $12.99 each for the 2-pack. They still have some of these left from last week. These are the folding rockers. And this says folding rocker, and this says folding recliner. And they have a beige color, and it looks like gray. Let me see how much they are. They are $49.99. Well, the party for Aldi's has come to an end. At least on our side it has. I hope you enjoyed it. I got a kick out of some of the items they had today. The house just cracked me up, and this girl came running over and she said, "Oh, I love it. If you have a Christmas village, you could put that in your village." And I said, "Oh, you're right." And I thought the key rings or the key chains that held the quarter were genius for people that shop at Aldi's. And I love the candle with the money on it. I put a still in for you so you could read what it says under the scent of the candle. So anyway, they had some good items there, and I enjoy seeing everything. I hope you do too. And if you do, and you're not a subscriber to my channel, hit that subscribe. And give me a thumbs up if you like these videos. And I appreciate you and love you, and I will see you all very soon. Toodles!